Hi, welcome to the very first video of my channel, Active SEO Feed. This is Kaiser, a digital marketing expert. In this channel, I will be sharing many hidden tips and tricks related to digital marketing that will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Before starting, I want to say that if you want to get update about latest video, then please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay, today my topic is about market research. Sorry for my handwriting. Okay, before starting I want to say you that this video is for those people who are planning to make digital marketing of their online store or planning to start their online business or working as a digital marketing or looking for a job in digital marketing sector. So this video will be very helpful. So this topic is about market research. Before understanding about market research, you have to understand about your product, because you obviously want to sell product. So before understanding about the market, you have to understand about the product what you are selling, like the feature of the product or the benefits.
Hi, sorry for the interruption. This is just let you know that this is Kaiser from Active SEO Feed. If you need any help regarding digital marketing or social media marketing like Facebook or Instagram ad campaign, or you want to increase your sale through Google PPC campaign or YouTube marketing, then you can hire me. You can also hire me for doing your web development related work or webmail support or any other IT support like your website maintenance and e-commerce maintenance. You can contact with me from the link on the description below. So please check that. Thanks.
Also, the negative things about your product. So after that, you will be able to find the potential audience for your product. So let's start from product. Let me clear this screen first. Okay, product. So there are a million types of physical and digital product in this world, and it is very simple that you maybe not know about a product. But what if ChatGPT work as your colleague and inform about the product you are planning to sell? For example, today I will show you how you can know about this glass using ChatGPT. This is actually a blue light blocking glasses, and your product may be different, but for teaching purposes I have chosen this product to make it understandable for you. So this is just a glass, but there are obviously something special of this product. So you have to highlight about the special thing to the audience so that you can reach to the potential audience. So you can do it within less than 2 minutes by with the help of ChatGPT. So how you can do that? You just need to do nothing. Here is a snippet, some pieces of line. You have just need to modify this part. Here you have to replace it with your product name. In my case, it is obviously blue light blocking classes. Okay, obviously you will get this piece of line in the description of this video. Just click the link on the description to get this piece of line. Okay, now just select everything and copy it. Then go to ChatGPT. Here, you have to first create account on ChatGPT. There are two versions of ChatGPT. One is free, another is paid. So, I will be using the free version. If you want to use paid version, that will be a plus point. But I am okay with the free version. Let's make sure you have started a new chat, and now just paste the pieces of line here and hit the enter button and wait for the answer from ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is making the description for us, which is really understandable. Okay, it has finished generating the answer. Okay, so look here. Certainly, when marketing blue light blocking glasses, it is crucial to emphasize the key benefits. So, here is some key benefits of the product so you can understand about your potential customer. Uh, First key benefit is eye protection. Obviously, it will protect eye from blue ray or something similar like this. Uh, you have to read this. Okay, better sleep quality. It may be also helpful for better sleep quality, prevention of digital eye strain. Okay, increased productivity, fashionable and versatile. Okay, key features: advanced blue light filtering technology, anti-reflective coating, durable and lightweight materials, UV protection. Okay, competitive advantages. Okay, I think you will get up to 80% idea about your product by this piece of line and with the help of ChatGPT. So this is for today, and in the next lecture, I will share you how you will find the potential or targeted audience using ChatGPT. If you face any problem or you have any query, then just you may write the comments, and if you like my video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.